Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a girl wearing a hijab, and we are going to see the girl from the side. So let's begin the drawing from the top part of this page. So we are drawing here the clothes of the hijab. Let's draw a few outlines like this. Initially we begin the drawing with little outlining, then we put the final strokes to complete the drawing. Here we see that the drawing is getting visible. After each lines we draw here. Let's draw another curved line from here, and this line runs along this line to the top. Two lines will be here, and we can draw a few outlines like this, and it will be like this. Another line is going to come here and go straight to this end. Here we draw another curved line, and the second curved line is going to be here. This curved line comes because of the wrinkles when they fold the hands and move it to fronts. As we see here that the hand is upward. This is the collar of the last end of the dress. Okay. Let's draw a hand like this. First we make the outlines, then we do the details. Alright, so the eyebrow and eyes, it will be here as we see from the views. The eyebrow, that's little darker. After that we draw the details of the eye here. Alright, let's make these lines little bold because the outline is almost done. Now we're going to proceed to the final drawing. Alright, let's draw a border line here, and the edge of the hijab in the front side, it looks like this. Let's draw the outlines here. Finally we can make the bold lines on top here to the outer part of the hijab. It's on top of the outline. All right, so the drawings getting clear here. This is the outline. It's getting nice after we doing all the details. Nice and bold. All right, the hands here, the fingers that are little folded to the upward. Okay, now we can put the shades to make the drawing more lively and visibly pleasant. The shades will be darker to the edge of the drawings and lighter as I come closer to the middle point, as you see I'm doing here right now. Let's put little darker in the wrinkles part. All right. This is the wrinkled part. Edges are getting little darker here. As you see, after putting the shades, drawings becoming nice. When you put the strokes of the pencil to outline the sketch nice and steady, you put the harder stroke along the lines or the strong lines. Then we extend the strokes to the outwards and make the strokes lighter and lighter. The detailing, what I'm going to do right here now, you can see that this is the part of the hands, so I'm doing the detailing in the side of the hands. This is the bottom part of the hands. The details of the hands, as we see here, these are very regular in shape, nothing's complicated, very easy. If you do the practice, you can do better than this one. So all you need to do is to do practice and be steady. All right, so the drawing is almost done. I hope you like the video, because as long as you watch, you can be more perfect after you observe all the details we do here. The front part is darker than the other sides, so this clothing is darker, that's why we're putting all the dark shades here. All right, so this is almost done. Please do the drawings all the times and do the practice. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.